Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's review will be a quick try on haul of a few pieces that I recently picked up from my Rent the Runway Unlimited subscription. As you can recall, about a month ago I signed up for Rent the Runway Unlimited, and you get a ton of styles for the entire month for $159 a month, and the trial period is $99. So let's just jump into this review because I don't want my camera to die on you guys. The first dress that I picked up was this Alexis white Miller lace sheath dress. It is a midi dress. As you can see, it's more of a cream or oatmeal color than a white color, but it is pretty. It fits very well on. I got this in a size medium, and once again, I'm 5'11", 155 pounds, in a size US 6. So a medium did fit me very well. I didn't have to wear a bra with it because it comes with this strap on it, and then it comes with some lining in it, and it's a pretty heavy material. You can tell it's very well made, and I actually liked it. It retails for like $300, so I was happy to get it with my subscription. The next piece I picked up was another white dress. It's a white off the shoulder dress. Again, it was supposed to be white. It comes up more as a cream or stone color. It's a nice heavy material, good quality. It's a little heavy for the summertime actually, but I think it fits pretty well. I ended up getting this in a size, let's see, a size 6 US, the correct size, and it actually fit a little big on me, but I don't think that I could go down to a 4, so it does fit true to size. You could wear a strapless bra with this if you wanted to, but I didn't find that I needed to because the quality of it is pretty superior, so you don't really need it. It gives you the support that you need. The next dress that I purchased was this red cutout dress. It's called Beck and Ridge Red Trixie dress, and I got it in a size medium. It shows up as a red on camera, but it's actually more of like a burnt orange. It's not a true red. It does fit well. I got it in a size medium. I should have gotten it in a large. Once again, I'm a US 6, but my boobs are a 34D. So as you can see from the video clip, it's spilling out a little bit more than I would like, but overall a good dress. It's more of a mini dress for us tall girls. Midi dress if you're under 5'6", 5'7". I think you can get away with this as a midi dress, but for us taller girls, this is a mini dress, but it fit pretty nice, and I was overall impressed with it. Final piece I got was this vacation piece, which I love. It's supposed to come with a belt, and it was supposed to come tall. It didn't come with either. I got this in a 10 long, which is a 6 US. It's a UK sizing. I love the colors, vibrant. It's open chest and open back, so if you're not okay with that much skin, then this is not the dress for you. Like I said, I got this in a regular size instead of the long, and it fit right to the floor. When I read the reviews, a lot of our tall girls were buying the long size and suggested wearing 4 to 5 inch heels. So because I wore this on vacation and they actually messed up my order and didn't give me a long, I ended up wearing this with flats, and it ended up being beautiful. I love the dress. I love the cutouts of it. I think it's wonderful. That's all I have for today. So hopefully I'll be back with some more try-ons before my subscription has expired. Again, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys are thinking about joining the program. I think it's good so far, especially if you have a ton of events and don't feel like buying a ton of clothes like I did. Just, you know, try it out if you guys need to or want to. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.